Ah, very nice. Could be better. Oh my God. This last weekend, I headed up to the Sacramento area to visit with a good buddy. He's got a lot of land, a sawmill, horses. He's even got a bar with a stage in it, and do some guitar work. Well, I guess this is where we start. They put some nice tuners on the guitar. They had good intentions. I hope that's just spackle and not epoxy. Let's delve into this. So this is a Gibson LG-0, which was basically an entry-level guitar, one of Gibson's cheapest instruments. The LG-0 was built in Gibson's Kalamazoo factory from the years 1958 through 1974. Gibson built quite a few of these guitars through the years. They actually built over 56,000 of these guitars. With their peak year, 1964, they made close to 10,000 of these guitars. So there's quite a few of them out there. Thanks for that information, Google. But this is a Gibson. It's pretty much all mahogany, ladder braced, flat top, smaller bodied guitar, plastic bridge and all. And I'm pretty certain that this guitar is going to sound amazing. We have to do quite a bit of work to it to get it to that point. This is one of those plastic bridges. I don't know what the heck they were doing here. That is just horrendous. It's so thick. So that's part of what we want to remove, or what I've been asked to remove. So this is part of it. Clean this up, make it look a little bit more presentable. We're not going to do a complete, he wants to keep the patina and all that, so we're just going to make this look a little better. But the main thing is this. Take this off, and I don't know what they did underneath this, but he said make it look good. Whatever that means. So let's start taking this off and seeing what it is. It seems like it's pretty easy to come off. It almost seems like spackle, you know? Like it's, you can see it coming off like chalky. So let's start scraping that and see what happens. I'm just going to test the waters here with a razor blade. You better run. Gaining on you. Give me some exercise.
I actually like this.
Oh, you did, huh? Chasing the ground. Start with this file. It's pretty coarse, but I got to get through quite a bit of this. I wonder if there's a big hole in there or something. I'm going to try and just take a little water. So if there's some kind of spackle or something, it might just dissolve it. Whatever this is hiding, it doesn't matter. This has all got to come off anyway. There could be a big chunk of wood missing or whatever, but this spackle is offering no structural support. So whatever wood is missing here, it's got to be fixed a different way. It's like a square. What the heck is going on?
Yeah, if you just walk around and start finding goose eggs, you'll find them in the water. They roll off in the water.
What am I getting myself into? I'm telling you, the things I agree to sometimes. Well, you can see that's quite a bit below the wood, so there's a big old hole in here. Just got to do this until I see wood.
That's what she said. Or he said.
I'll take a little toothbrush.
Jack doesn't like to be bothered. The other donkeys bother him.
This is Jack.
This is Jack. This is the daddy.
Hey, Jack. How are you, buddy? How are you? Yeah, he's a good boy.
The two boys, his sons, they're always beating up on him because they want to be like male dominant, and he doesn't like it. So he stays away from them.
Seems like a good boy. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's all right. Well, that's what we're looking at. How do you fix that? Whew. Well, one way is to just put a bunch of white stuff over it. It looks like they tried to fix it. Maybe they put 2 screws with a strap or something. Kind of looks like the shape of a strap or something. I don't know. And then they just came back in with spackle. That's where I'm going to leave this one. Let me work on the bridge. I'm sure I'll be able to make some progress with that. Yeah, it's definitely a plastic bridge. You can see the bolts, 4 bolts holding it in place. Screws, rather. Whatever. Anyway, so I'm going to start hacking at this and see where this takes me. It's not epoxy because it's coming off too easy. Judging by that other material they use, it's some kind of construction product. Whatever it is, it's coming right off. It's not going to look too pretty when it's off. It's a damn shame what some people do to their guitars. It's a Gibson too. Why would you do that? Then again, why would you put a plastic bridge on a guitar, on a Gibson? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense either, does it? I go with a razor blade in the corner, but what I'm going to do, put Scotch tape on the back side. So at least I won't be scratching it back here, because I won't be able to see what's going on over there. Here I'm just sanding the back surface, trying to get just the plastic to be visible. I don't know if there's anything you could put on this plastic to make it come back all black again, because it's like blue almost. It's got all this gray kind of patina to it. What's going on with this saddle? Maybe I should just get this out of there for now. This is the crudest saddle I've ever seen. The bottom of it's all rough. A lot of DIY stuff going on here, which is fine. People like to fix their guitars. What's wrong with that? Well, it definitely looks better from the bridge standpoint. And then the finish here is a little mucked up. So let me try to even this up a little bit and put a coat or 2 of shellac That should blend pretty nicely. He said he just wants it to look good. I don't know how good it's going to look, but good is a relative term, isn't it? Taking some 1200 grit and just wet sanding this whole back section. My attempt here is to just even it up a little bit. That's pretty good. I'll let that dry a couple of days and then I'll come back and kind of wet sand it, blend it. Maybe I'll put a couple more coats so I don't burn through it again. But the back of the neck is where I need everybody's help. How do you fix that? Well, one way is to just put a bunch of white stuff over it. You know, I could think of 10 different ways, but I know budget is kind of an issue, so I need to keep that in mind. I don't know. Anybody got any ideas? Drop me a comment. I'm going to leave this video right here. Wait for your comments. I'm going to think about it as well. We'll all meet back here next week, hopefully with a solution.
Nice green color, huh?
Here's your pool. It's a little sinking on that side over there.
Sinking over here, a little bit here. No, it needs to come out and put the sand down again and level it. A legend in his own mind.